Hi, this is Tony Sagami. Hey, there's an interesting piece of news today. Disneyland announced that they're going to build a new theme park in Shanghai. And this will actually be the third theme park that they have in Asia. They already have one in Tokyo. It's been there for quite a while, a couple decades, I believe. They also have one in Hong Kong. So this one in Shanghai will be the third. Is that a big deal for Disney? I suspect not. I tell you, I've been both to the Tokyo and the Hong Kong one. And I'd characterize them as big flops. They're not very successful at all. I tell you, I've seen bigger lines at KFC in Shanghai than I do at the Disneyland in Hong Kong. So they're not that successful. So I wouldn't take this as a big opportunity to jump in Disney because they're going to do something special. But I do think you can connect the dots to some other very exciting investment opportunities that this might create. No question. This park in Shanghai is going to be a big development. And to put it in Pudong, which is a very affluent, upscale area, and so that's a pretty expensive property. I think there's going to be a lot of people that benefit from this Disney park, but not Disneyland. The first one would be Home Inns. That's the largest budget hotel chain in China. And certainly people from outside the country are coming to this Shanghai Disney. It'll be the local Chinese in the area. And so they can't afford the plush 4-star, 5-star American hotels. So they'll be staying at Home Inns. The ticker on Home Inns is HMIN. HMIN. Home Inns. And it's traded on the NASDAQ. Another company that should get a nice boost from this would be Ctrip.com. That's the Expedia of the Chinese travel business. Their ticker is CTRP. CTRP. Ctrip.com, also traded on the NASDAQ. I certainly saw a lot of flights and hotels and packages to this new Disneyland, and they'll do very well from this new development. And lastly, I think the one that people probably don't realize the most is another company called Shimao Property. It is the largest real estate developer in Shanghai. And it's a fantastic company with large land holdings, many of which are already in this Pudong area. How close they'll be to the Disney park, I'm not sure, but they'll certainly have some ancillary benefits, and they'll probably throw up some hotels, condos, office buildings, retail fronts, and they should be a big winner, perhaps the biggest winner from this Disneyland hotel. Shimao's ticker is 0813.HK. 0813.HK. It's traded on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. But as any of you that have tried to buy Hong Kong stocks, it's as easy as buying Hong Kong stocks as it is to buy things on NASDAQ with most brokerage firms. So don't let the fact that it's traded on the Hong Kong Exchange discourage you. It's very easy, and if you haven't tried it, I think you'd be surprised how cheap, easy, and simple it is to invest in foreign stocks. So, Disney, big deal for, who cares for Disney? But there are three companies I think are going to do very well for it. This is Tony Sagami signing off till next week.